Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, as you can see, I am back with my 𝓬𝓸𝓷'𝓽 bag guys. I did another one, I bedazzled it. I did already show you guys how to do that. Video will be linked down below in case you missed out guys. So today I'm actually going to be adding patches. So if you want to learn exactly how to do it, keep on watching guys. It is very easy and very simple. So like I said, this one I did just bedazzle the logo right in the middle as you can see. And I got my patches right here from Amazon. Also will be linked down below guys. As you know, if you watch my videos, I always do link the materials down below. So like I said, Amazon patches guys, I think these are so adorable. I am going for a summery vibe, so that is why I got these patches. These patches are super girly pink and so cute guys. Oh my gosh, trust me, this bag came out so adorable. I am going to be using her all summer long guys. I love it. And I am planning to do more actually. So guys, I got my patches. I'm going to be placing these all around on the top area guys, not on the bottom, because you know when the bag extends I don't want patches on the bottom, you know. So I'm just doing it around. I placed them exactly where I wanted them. And then guys, I am going to be using Liquid Fusion adhesive for this project. That's it guys, just Liquid Fusion, very simple guys. Also will be linked down below. I love how this adhesive works with fabric guys, and I'm just gonna go in and apply it to the back of the patch and apply the patch exactly where I want it to be. I'm almost running out guys. I actually need to order more of this glue guys. I love using it for everything. So guys, very simple. I made sure the patch was fully covered with the Liquid Fusion and I just applied it on the spot I wanted it to be. So you see guys, very easy and simple guys. I did the same exact thing for all my patches. And then at the end guys, I did apply some weights on it just to make sure the patches were nicely pressed onto the bag so it could completely dry. Because if you see right here, like where I'm applying the love patch, it does lift a little bit because of the little purple straps. So you want to make sure your patches are nicely pressed onto the bag until they are completely dry so they don't fall off. So I applied it to all the patches all around the bag guys. And like I mentioned, I did do both sides, but I made sure this side was completely dry. I left the weights on it for a few hours before I flipped it and did the other side. So yeah guys, have fun with this. I mean, there's so many different types of patches to choose from, you know, themes you can go with, whatever it is you want. And if you don't want to bedazzle the logo, you don't have to, you know, this is just a little extra touch guys. Super easy. I mean, you can do this with your kids. Super cute guys. I love it. As you can see, very easy to do. It literally took me like less than 10 minutes to, you know, choose my patches, apply them. Super easy guys. The holdup was just letting the patches completely dry onto the bag. So yeah, make sure to let me know what you think about the bag at the end, leaving me a lovely comment. So this is how my bag looked once I was done applying all the patches. And then like I said, I did put weights on top of them just to make sure the patches were nicely pressed against the bag and completely dry. I applied a white piece of paper on top of them just to make sure the weights wouldn't get the bag dirty. And then I just placed the weights right on top of the patches that I felt like were kind of lifting, just to make sure, you know, they were completely dry onto the bag. And then guys, this is how it looked after. So I would say be careful. Look at that. I got a little bit of glue because I did put the white sheet of paper over the bag. I couldn't really see where the patches were at moments, and it did get a little messed up, but just be careful with that. And then I did the other side guys, and look how cute it looks. Gorgeous guys. I love how it came out. This is my other side, and this is the side I showed you guys how I did it. Same process guys. Super easy, super cute guys. I love it guys. This is a super easy and quick project for yourself to give as a gift, whatever it is you want guys. Like I said, I did bling out the logo in the middle. I will link that video down below in case you did miss out on it guys. And then this one where you apply the patches guys, and look how cute it looks. It is definitely giving me summer vibes guys, and I love it. I will be using this all summer long guys. I already used it actually. So guys, I love it. It is so cute. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you learned a little something, guys. Super quick and DIY. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not, if you already did all that. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.